In this video, I'm going to show you how to record MIDI in Cakewalk. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this using only virtual instruments, so you don't actually need any MIDI keyboards or anything like this to do it, okay? Which is, of course, quite convenient, but if you want to, you can use your own MIDI keyboard or, of course, any interface you want. So, I'm going to go ahead and click on this plus button top left, and I'm just going to go and, of course, select instrument. From here, you want to select what type of MIDI you want to record. So I'm just going to go with the classic piano, but you can just click on here and you can see you have like a bunch of different things. You have like drums, guitars, you have pianos, you have synths, etc. I'm going to go with the piano, and this time here, I'm just going to go with this grand piano. Click on it, and then from here, all you have to do is just leave it like it is and click on the create button. By default, it's going to create your MIDI track over here, and it's going to open up like a keyboard. And of course, it's always going to be a keyboard, even if you open like a guitar or something like that. It's going to be a keyboard, but when you press these keys, it's going to sound like the instrument you actually chose. So for me, I have the grand piano, and this sounds like, of course, a grand piano. Now, over here, you can, of course, start recording this super easily by going down here and making sure everything is set up. So by default, it actually should be already set up like you need it to be. And from here, you can just go and select where you want to start recording. I'm going to go to the beginning. I'm going to enable this track like this, so it turns like red-ish. And then what you want to do here, let me actually turn these two off. There we go. You want to hit this main record button, and then you can just start using your keys over here or just your keyboard as well to start recording MIDI. So I'm going to click record, and now I'm going to go and play some notes. Okay, just like this. When you're done, hit this record button again, and then stop it like this. And there we go. As you can see here, you have successfully recorded your MIDI. If I click in here and then play this for you, it actually did work as intended, and I've successfully recorded MIDI in Cakewalk. Now this is going to work for all sorts of things. I do have like a synth up here, so I can go ahead and unmute this just to show you how it looks, how it sounds. There we go. As you can see, it's just like a synth, like a random audio, and yeah, that's how to do it. If you want to edit this, you want to simply double click to open up this piano roll here at the bottom. You could also just double click like over here and then double click in here, and it's going to open as well. Or what you can also do is reopen that first thing you've seen. So the piano roll you can play by clicking on this button here, which is going to pull this up, and you can go and continue your recording, okay? So that's how to record MIDI, super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.